Welcome to the opening of Desmond and Dempsey. We got two packages here today. Now, if you are looking to buy some stuff from them, let me give you a good unboxing video since there aren't a lot out there on YouTube. So, as you can see, here's the packaging. Pretty cool. Comes with a little newspaper. Very nice, very nice. Okay. This is very cool. Very cool. So, imagine you're putting on your pajamas and reading a newspaper like you fancy people who can afford these. Okay, so let's open this and see. Okay, this box is not really good to open one-handed. So I give it maybe 2 stars. Okay, anyways. Ooh, look at this robe. Looks very nice. Good packaging. Comes with the I ordered the face mask. The tiger one. Looks pretty good. Any problems with this? No problem, looks good. Comes with this big fat tag on there. Feels good. Never really wore one of these before, so I don't know what I'm comparing to. Alright, let's check out this men's towel rose tiger printed black cream robe from Desmond and Dempsey. Okay. The material feels just like a regular cotton. 100% cotton, made from Portugal. I guess should just wear it and show you. So right from the get-go, when I open it, I noticed that this long stitching is not cut off. So I figured you probably want to cut that so that it doesn't come loose too much more. Seeing that thread that long makes me kind of worried, because what about the rest of the fabric? I already see another one here. And another one here. Very long. So I don't know, is it QA? Is that a QA issue right there? All the seams, they didn't really do a good job checking everything. Let's try it on. Check out the robe. I bought a size, I think this is a small. I'm 5'4", 135 pounds, and yeah, I think it looks cool. Sorry, I don't have a really good camera. I'm just using my phone. Some pilling or pieces that are coming off, but yeah, it feels nice. Some pieces. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys, but just trying it on. Nice pockets right here. Ooh, I like the pockets. Those are cool. Pocket right here. Yeah, feels nice. Let's see what my dad thinks. My robe.
Nó này chập cha, không cho này chập cha.
No, it's recording.
Oh, recording.
Yeah, started recording. Does it look nice?
Oh yeah.
You know?
Look very beautiful.
Yeah,
Oh, handsome. Sorry.
Yeah. No, it can be beautiful.
Mhm.
Cool, huh?
Oh yeah.
Look awesome, huh?
Yes.
You want one?
No.
No.
No. Thank you.
All right. Other pajamas. I got some plain linen black and the men's pocket set linen. So this comes with the top and the bottom. Size small. 100% linen, made in Portugal. Let's try it on and see what that looks like. All right, so here's it laying flat on the bed. Nice little label right here. D&D chilled vibes, designed in London, made in Portugal. Has some linen fibers still on the shirt. Comes with 2 pockets. Nice little details in the buttons that show Desmond and Dempsey. Desmond and Dempsey. Looks pretty nice. I like it. Let's see how the stitching is. Looks pretty neat. Let's see, the part where it had some phrase was around the arm pocket. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's see the pants. Pants doesn't have